Hello my friends, we are doing a review today on the SBXA021. This is a Seiko watch. It's no longer in production and I like it very much. It is one of my favorite Seiko watches and watches that I wear. Let's do a wrist check first. This is the SBXA077, also a Seiko and GPS, just like this one. We'll do a comparison between the three, which is the SKX007. So we'll get a proportion estimate and many other perspective. Okay, as I said, this watch is no longer in production and I bought it at eBay pre-owned and I like it very much due to the fact that there is a second watch which you can calibrate to your local time home when you're abroad, just as this one. We're doing the video outside so I can show you how to calibrate the GPS option. Let's weigh the watch. As we can see, the watch is quite hefty. 191 grams, and this is after shortening the bracelet with I think it was three parts I left outside. Okay, for comparison, we see that this is 40 grams less. And this is about 90 grams less. Okay, let's put this back in its place. Dimension. Due to the fact that this is no longer in production, I don't have the exact dimension, but we can see that this is as well a very big watch. So if you like big watches like me, this is one that you should have. 46 millimeter 0.5, 16.9, which is very big, and lug to lug, I will try to make it, I would say it's about 50 or 52. I think it was 52 but today. You have to excuse me. As you can see, this is a very big watch. Let's see it on my wrist, so we could compare both of them. This is the, as I said, the SBX077, SBXB. And this is the SBXA021. The main thing that you could notice, it's quite fat, you could say, but personally I like it. So we see this, and let's compare it to the SBX. This is the SKX007 on my wrist, so you could compare both of them as you look. Okay, this is a big watch, and if you can notice, I like to leave a little room for breathing. This is for all habits who need to wind the watch with their hands. This is solar powered, so you don't need to. The only thing is that you see it's halfway on the battery. Okay, and let's calibrate the watch. The calibration is the same as on the SBXA021. Few seconds here, and let's them. We're doing this outside so we could get a GPS reception. Okay, I'm not sure if we got any satellite, but we can see that both of them are synchronized. Let's do this again on the 021. Okay, 2 satellites, 3 satellites, 5 satellites, 6 satellites, 5, and we have an indication that it is in the yes, if you can see it. And now, due to the fact that I'm recording this in Israel, we have daylight saving time, so the clock is returning to the appropriate time without consideration of daylight saving time. So the next thing I do is press the B button. Okay, and it indicates that I have 2 hours in advance to GMT. I add 1. And when I'm finished, I'm pressing the C button, which is this one. Each time you want to stop any action between the A and the B button, the C button is the reset, you could say. So this is the A button for getting the GPS reception, and this is the B button for calibrating the daylight saving time. The indication of daylight saving time is here. Let's press it again, and we'll see the needle traveling to the daylight saving time. Okay, and we want to reset the process, so we press the C button. Very important to be outside in order to get the GPS. Usually inside there's no GPS. Hope you enjoyed it. This was the SBA021, which is very similar to the STAT003. Thank you.